Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you the trick called fusion, and it looks like this. So you want to start out in double or nothing. We teach that in another video, so you can go check that out if you need it. From here, you want to curl in your 3 fingers and loop the string around the yo-yo, and then do the same thing on the other side, but only with the first string, the one farthest away from you. So, like that. And then drop it, and then make your hand go back so they're parallel. From here, you're going to swing your yo-yo around, and then swing it back around, and loop it once around your finger, and then unwind it all the way into a trapeze. And that's the trick called fusion.